Hello everyone. Today I will guide you how to grow cucumbers easily in wall-mounted plastic containers, achieving high productivity. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below the video. Thanks. First, we prepare 2 plastic buckets, and don't forget to create drainage holes to prevent waterlogging for the plants. 2 plastic bottles and absorbent towels to automatically water the melons. We cut off the top of the plastic bottle, make a hole at the top to let the towel absorb water through the hole to automatically absorb water for the plant. To give the plant space to climb, we will make a wall-mounted trellis, and my choice is iron models of just the right length. When the rack is finished, we attach the plastic box below the rack with enough space. To help the plant climb well, I use bamboo sticks with good grip so that the plant can spread more easily. The stage of preparing the soil for planting is very important. I use organic fertilizer mixed with the soil. And don't forget to make the soil loose for easy plant growth. When putting soil into the plastic container for planting, do not forget to put the automatic watering plastic bottle in. One end of the towel will be in the plastic bottle, the other end should be put down on the soil mesh, so that the water can seep down to the base of the tree better. This time I will choose to grow melons directly from seeds. After planting, we use clean water in a plastic bottle with an absorbent towel. Let the water slowly seep into the soil to keep the seeds moist for germination. When the plant is 10 days old, we prepare to fertilize it for the first time to give the plant enough nutrients to grow well. To ensure nutrients for the plant, I use organic liquid fertilizer mixed with clean water, watering directly at the base of the plant so that the plant can absorb it fastest. After adding water and fertilizer, we must add soil to the base of the tree so that the tree has enough space to grow, and the tree grows stronger and is resistant to breaking. We can add more water to the plastic bottle to keep the plant moist. When the plant is 17 days old, it is in the stage of development and is preparing to flower. We will fertilize it in stage 2. This time I use vermicompost with the right amount to fertilize directly for the plant. To keep the plant at a stable humidity, don't forget to add water to the plastic bottle so that the plant gets the best water supply. The tree is 25 days old and has flowered. This time, we have to fertilize, stimulate, and prevent pests for the tree to bear fruit best. This time I will use powdered organic fertilizer on the base of the tree, and I will rehydrate the tree in a plastic bottle. To make the tree bear more fruit and prevent pests, I use tangerine mixed with clean water and spray directly on the tree. When the tree is 40 days old, it will be full of fruit. At this time, we can harvest it to give our family and relatives delicious meals. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.